If you have requested a trial version of ArtVault Pro, you will have received an email from us and follow the link to this download page. If you're watching this video, you probably clicked on the download button already too, which prompted you to either open or save the download contents. Once finished, click on Open Folder. It's now imperative that you first extract the contents of this compressed folder before continuing. To do so, simply click on the Extract button in the top bar of the window. Then click Extract All and choose a destination for the extraction. Click Extract. Once extracted, it will show you the extracted folder. Double-click to open, double-click again, and now open the actual ArtVault Pro 3 trial program. Your ArtVault trial will run for 30 days. You will be greeted with 2 welcome screens, which you can disable if you don't find that they are useful. You now find yourself on the home screen of ArtVault Pro and the slide-out navigation already opened, with which you can switch to different data categories within the application, for example, to the Artworks module. Check out the other tutorial videos on our website to get the best out of ArtVault Pro.